Back in my day when I was a runner, I used to have a fear of hurdles, but eventually I got over them. Hey everyone, it's Martin Ross, and today we're going to be breaking it down with 112s anywhere. Before we get into it, I am really sick. I got a really bad flu, but I'm trying to push through it, so bear with me. I'm going to do editing a little bit differently, so just be aware. Also, please check out my new single, Every Day. Links in the description. Also, my sound library. If you like these sounds, check out Zorse. Also, what really helps my channel grow is hitting the like button, leaving a comment. Also, subscribe, click the bell so that way you get updates straight to your device. And most important of all, share the video to someone you think might like it. So let's break it down. All right, so we're breaking down 112 anywhere. I'm doing this at about 125.51, so 125 to 126 BPM is what I'm doing. So to set the foundation of this song, I started with the guitar. So for the guitar, in the left hand, I'm doing pretty much a power chord. So I'm just going to be reusing the same notes, F and C, to enhance the chord C minor, C minor 7, looks like another C minor 7. So essentially, I am playing this song in the key of C minor. So let's hear what that guitar sounds like. I did like glissando on the chords to kind of give it more of a realistic guitar feel. Okay, so going into the keys, this is a teachable moment to teach a lot of you. The misconception that major chords or major scales make things happy. I think my song Every Day is actually written in A flat major, and it doesn't necessarily mean happy. It's the way you invert the chords. So in this song, it looks like I'm using an A flat, a G chord, and looks like a suspended D chord. Now, to understand what an inversion is just you're moving the notes around, but you're still keeping the characteristics of that chord. So the main chord is an A flat major, right? This A flat major. Okay, sounds happy, right? But when I play it in this song, it's inverted. Kind of gives it a deeper tone. Let's hear what that sounds like. Okay, so after the keys, to follow the chords, we're using claves, and all I'm using is a D and B flat. Let's hear that. Going to the synth 2, or the first part of the synth, it's kind of just like pop synth. So essentially I'm using 2 notes, and I'm using a flat, B flat, then I'm going to a D flat to an F. Then I'm going to repeat that process. Let's see what that sounds like. All right, so for the whistle lead, I'm using C, D, E flat, then I'm going to F. I'm kind of repeating that. So let's hear what that whistle sounds like. Okay, so for the bass, I'm using the notes C, F, G, A flat. Then I'm coming right back down. So let's hear what that sounds like. For that bass part, it was just a high resonated sawtooth with a high pass filter. That's all that was. Now, I quickly pulled up a digital tom. You can get that from any synthesizer or any workstation. I try to keep it in the 90s, so I got this off the M1. So essentially, when you go to the break, you're going to hear the toms, and this is all you hear. All right, so we're moving on to the drums, and before we go any further, if you've gotten this far, hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and click that bell. Help me grow this channel. So let's talk about those drums. Okay, so my drums are pretty simple. I have snare, open hat, which is going to give you that t-t-t, right? The kick and the clap. So let's hear what it sounds like. And I added the toms at the end so you can get an idea of where that's going. Now that we dove in, saw each of the instruments, let's hear what it sounds like all together. Yeah. Let's go in the hook. Here comes the hook. Love that guitar. All right, there you have it. We broke down 112s anywhere. Before we leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, share the video to someone you think that might like this. Also, hit that subscribe, click the bell. I just released a single. Links in the description. Check out my single Every Day. Also, please, if you like these sounds, check out Zor's Vibes. Links are all in the description. Again, this is Martin Ross breaking down 112s anywhere. Y'all take care. Breakin.